Welcome to Tech Tips, the place to learn Python programming, the easy and simple way. I'll be doing a series of tutorials ranging from basic to advanced. You may ask yourself, so what is Python? Python is a high-level language like Java, Visual Basic, C#, C++, Pascal, and many other high-level language. It's an open source language, which means anyone can edit its source code. As you know, Python is free. Also, Python is a general purpose language. Therefore, it can just about be used to for anything. Python is used to automate tasks. It's used in back-end for web development. It's popular with data scientists for the analysis of big data. Okay, so we're going to obviously get started to doing something very basic. In front of you, with what the screen you've presented in front of you is the Python shell. The first thing that's fired up when you actually click on or open up Python is the Python shell. Here you can do basic tasks, well, basic programming, or you can do basic programming. The only difference here is that it actually won't save anything. So if I want to say, write a tiny little line, what everyone always writes when they start a program, basic program, hello world. Okay, so that just printed to the screen, hello world. Also, it mimicked the calculator by doing 4 plus 4 is 8. However, if you want to be a programmer, you want to save your program. So here we go to Python's editor. So we go File, New File, and now what we get is the Python's editor. And it's here we can write programs. So here we can write the basic program, what I've just showed you, the line of code I showed you before, which is just hello world. Okay, in order to run the program, we have to save it. Okay, and the program will be run in the shell. So we go File, Save. So you need to locate where you want to save your files. I'm going to go to Documents. I'm going to go to my Python program, and then I'm going to call it probably, as I've already got it already, so I'm going to call it Hello World. Okay, so I've stored it as Hello World. Okay, it already exists because I've run the program before, but it's stored the program. So if I want to run it, I'll just go run module, and that actually runs the program Hello World. That's my first Python programming. Also, you can actually do other programs there. So we can go another one. So we go File, New File to open up another one, and we might want to do some basic stuff, some more printing stuff. So we can just go print. Say we want to print our name. Okay, with a series of lines, we can go. But remember, when you do print, you have to always have it within speech marks. Okay, otherwise it wouldn't work. Okay, then I'm just going to print again. Something very basic, just because I want to print something to the screen. Okay, however, you see I did a mistake there. With print, if it doesn't change color, you know that you've done it wrong. Print always has to be in lowercase. So I'm just going to print, obviously, Sue, fictitious name. My name's not actually Sue, but I'm just going to put it there. Okay. Sue. Speech marks. Okay, and I'm also just going to do another line of code. Okay, speech marks are there again. May just want to line it up a bit so it looks a bit tidy when we do, however, display it to the screen. Okay, so if we now save that, I'm just going to save it as Sue, File, Save As. I'm going to go to my documents again, Python programs. I'm just going to save that as Sue. So if we go Save, I can now display that to the screen. We go run Python. Oh, So you see what I've got there? We've got the brackets, and that's what will happen to you. You'll forget things, which is good when you forget things because it helps your coding. If you come and have that problem again, you know what to do next. Okay, and that just does Sue with a series of obviously in a little box. This is just basically what I've just shown you is basically how to use the print function just to print something to the world, to the screen. My next tutorial will show you how to basically get an input from the user. So using input and print together. Okay, thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.